about conserving water. And what are the ways to conserve water? You must have done in your class 4th and 5th. Everywhere, in the school it is taught, save water. But how? Brush karte samay tap ko band karke rakhna chahiye. Yes, that you must have learned in your school. Do you do that?
Yeah.
Really? नहीं करते. क्यों? Because excess में है water. जितना waste हो रहा है होने दो. Who bothers? The next generation is going to think about it. Why we? You have to think right now. You have to start thinking right now. Because as I told you, there is a lot of water, but there is very limited supply of fresh water. So we have to do our maximum. We have to do our bit to conserve water. Okay? So conservation of water, we know about small little things that we have been taught in the school, that we should always use a bucket while bathing instead of shower. We should not put water tap open when it is not in use, and we should always repair leaks immediately as soon as we see them. Okay? And the maximum thing is that you have to save water for cooking, and do not let water running when you are washing your utensils and so on. We have been doing this. We have been actually practicing this when only we get some advertisement in our ears, we get some kind of slogans in our ears, we actually get aware. But later on, after a day or two, again we start doing the same thing. We leave water tap open even if we are not using it sometimes. Let the bucket overflowing. You are not there, you are busy in your mobile phone and your tap is actually, you filled your bucket and it's overflowing. You're not bothered. So this is actually your mindset. If you have changed your mindset, you are ready to conserve water. There are plenty ways to conserve water. Okay, so let me tell you how our college is doing its bit. You know that from Government of Delhi, it is now mandatory to have a rainwater harvesting plant anywhere in a building which is greater than 1200 square feet. Okay, so in our college also we have a rainwater harvesting plant. How do you harvest rainwater? कोई बता सकता है रेन वाटर कैसे हार्वेस्ट हो सकता है? छत पे रोज़ बारिश का पानी गिरता है, उसको नाली में से निकलने के बजाय किसी टैंक में रख लें. Is it possible? Right? So we have to actually put an extra effort to make that reservoir to store the rainwater.
Yes.
How it is done in our colleges, let me tell you, we have to first of all identify a catchment area where we can collect the maximum amount of rainwater. Okay? And that catchment area will get the water flowed into that reservoir, storage tanks. Okay? Can you see these holes rivet here inside and the boundary of this? These are actually your drain pipes. Okay? And these drain pipes lead to your reservoirs. So all the rainwater is coming into these holes, getting into these drains and get collected into a reservoir. Okay? In our college we have got 5 reservoirs to collect this rainwater. And that reservoir can be used to connect water into your flushes, into your toilets, for washing hands, for actually watering your plants and for cleaning purposes. There are many uses. The only thing is you have to lay the pipelines to use these collected water in the reservoir into some utility. Okay, so this is a catchment area and you will find all such theirs. Wherever there is an open area, you will find these holes where water can be put into the drain and go into the reservoir. Okay, so this is a rainwater harvesting plant. You can do that in your household also. जो भी आपके terrace पे जो पानी collect होता है, you can just get a pipeline to collect into a reservoir, and you can use certain small purification techniques like filtration. Sand filtration आप कर सकते हो ताकि जो भी उसमें गंदगी अगर आ रही है, छत में मिट्टी वगैरह भी आ रही है, that get filtered and the water that is going into the reservoir is cleaner. Okay, at least it is non-potable for use in some other area as apart from drinking. Okay, so this is one area where our college is doing its bit to conserve water. Let us go to another site. I'll take you another site where water conservation is possible. So here I have brought you a water cooler. Everybody must be visiting almost 10 times a day here. What is written on the water cooler? Can you read it? Save water. Right? So as I told you in the class, if you remember, that in an RO purification, only 20% of water as a fresh feed comes out as drinkable water. 80% of water gets waste. So anyhow, if we can conserve that 80% of water and use it some other uses, definitely we can recycle or conserve water to a lot larger extent. Okay. Now one thing here is I would like to show you that this is the outlet, that the wastewater is coming out from RO. This is the fresh water, that is 20%, 80% is going waste. Instead of this thing going into the drain, we can collect it into some drums or some water reservoir and then use it for cleaning the forts. On every floor of the college, I think there is 2 or 3 RO plants there, and the water collected from there can be used for sweeping or for washing the plants or for any other purposes. In fact, even for the flushing of toilets and all, cleaning of toilets and all. Okay, so this is going to be a long way to conserve water. We will not be wasting water in a way that if it is left there, it will be spilling out and people will be actually creating more mess here. Instead of spillage, it will be conserving, and we will be not requiring any fresh water. We will not use any potable water for non-potable uses. Okay, so anything, if you are going for cleaning, we must try to use anything which can be conserved. So this is a very small method, but it will go a long way for conservation of water. Okay, now I want to show you another project that our college has done in saving the water. Let us come with us. Okay, we'll go upstairs. Okay, so this is one of the important effort by the college here for water conservation, and this project is initiated by the Department of Electronics in our college for sustainable development. Okay, now if you see around, there are plants all around, and the green area that we are standing underneath is completely covered by water pipelines. Along with the frame of these green framework, if you see, there are water pipelines having a hole in them. Right? One smaller model of this is shown here. This is known as self-irrigation model. Okay, here what we do is we use a pipeline in which water will flow, and underneath this pipeline is a hole drilled in which wicks are being hanging around, and these wicks are going directly into the potted plant. Okay, so what we do is from one end of the pipe, the water is pumped on, and from the other end it is actually taken out and it is circulated in a cycle, so that a pump can be easily used for circulation, and as soon as the water is filled inside, you can stop the pump, or it is automatically stopped by a computer program. Alright, so now what happens here is the self-irrigating model is important in the sense that the potted plants that we are using, maybe it has a different variety of flowers. Right now it has the same variety of flowers. Even if you have a different variety of flowers, you know that every plant has a different I would say requirement of water. Some plants require more water, some plants require less water. So depending on their requirement, the plant will absorb that water from the wick. And if you have extra water inside the pot, that will go up by capillary action. That means at a particular given time, the potted plant will have only that much of water that it requires. It will have just right, nothing extra, nothing less. Okay, so this model is going to save a lot of water, and it is a kind of self-irrigating model where you don't need to use a lot of water, and once the water is there in the pipe circulating, all the water will absorb whatever water requirement they have, and they will be surviving easily. Okay, so we have planned to pot all the plants here with these wicks out here, so that the water absorption can be done even when you are not here. Okay, so you can leave such model and it will be a kind of self-irrigating model. It is a major initiative for water conservation in this.